Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to use the condition formatting. We'll see all the criterias in condition formatting and try to apply for this data. So I have a data here with salesperson, region, sales and target and achieved in the status. So we'll try to add condition formatting for these two columns. So first for the achieved, the percentage of what we achieved, okay. I'm selecting the entire data in the E column and you can go to home condition formatting. Under condition formatting you can do data bars. Under data bars gradient lights the lighter version. If you want a darker version you can go here to the solid fills. You can change it to any other colors so it looks little bit brighter here. Then go here, it's lighter. So let me take the green part here. So once you select, so now it's automatically changed. So it is taking the higher one. So this is the higher 120, right? This is higher percentage in this. 120 is the higher than all of this percentage. So based on this, it will going to split the other part. So 50%. This 120 divided by 60. So that's it as taking 60% as half of the cell is been colored. If it's example, if it is 30%, it will only take the 30% here. So how it takes is whichever the highest number here, based on that it will going to split for a half percentage is 60. Half cell will be colored, and if it is 30%, it will be the 30% will be covered. So if you want to make any changes, you can select this data, condition formatting again, manage rules, edit. I can go change the fills. If you want to change the colors or anything, you can change it here. The pattern also you can review the pattern. You can go ahead and change it here. Okay. So this is one part. So here status part, spending and achieved. So for achieved it should be green, pending should be red. So how are you going to change it? Select this columns data here. Go to condition formatting from home, condition formatting. Either you can go to new rule, under new rule, format cells that contain. You can go to this, you can see the cell value. Either you can go to cell value if you're giving some number or a formula. So you can go to, since it's a text, I'm going to select specific text. Any text containing under this cell, we need to get the particular cell. So if it is pending specific text, I'm going to mention the specific text here in format. So I need to change it to, go to fills, and the fill can change it to red. So if you want to say that it's still pending, okay. Again go to condition formatting, new rule, under rule format cells that contain, change it to text format. Under here say achieved, and achieved change it to dark green or light green, whichever you wish, and thus apply. So now you can see it's easily we know that what are pending and what is has been completed. Similarly the same data we'll try to use the other condition formatting here for the achieved part. I'm going to select this, go to home, condition formatting. Here you can see the color scales. So here what it does is I can go any other colors here. So let me, this looks, so this looks good, so I'll select this one. So obviously, as I said, the highest number it will take the higher number, and the middle number will be yellow. Less than that, it will be uh, like a maroon color here. So I'm selecting this. Again, go to condition formatting. You should select very important thing. You should select this column here and go to condition formatting, manage rules, because already we are given the condition here. We're going to manage it by editing, or you want to make any changes here. Click here. So you can see the lowest value percentage. So 50 will be the here. You want to specify this, you can specify the value here. Oh, sorry, if you want to change the color, so if say lowest color, I don't want let me take it blue here for the 50%. If we achieve 50%, let me have it little bit dark one, and the highest value, let me have a little bit darker uh, value here. So click OK, apply. Now we can see the blue is being highlighted here, and the darker ones is the highest number we are in. And if you have reached 50%, then it will be blue color. We don't need, just undo it. So you can have the standard part. So example, see here we have the pending and achieved, right? I need to get the same thing for here. I need not to go there and do the same old steps to get that. Just select this one cell, go to home, format painter, just paint it here, holding your mouse. So now it is already taken here, right? So let's go into the next same data. Let me try for the achieved part different criteria here. So here again say home, condition formatting, the condition formatting, go to the icons. In icons, let's take the rating part. So rating is star. So I'm going to select this, automatically takes. So you understand here the highest number is 120. So it is colored the silver color for the entire star. And half of it is nothing but 60. 60 would be your, it is not crossed it 75%. So if you want to make any changes, select this condition formatting, manage rules. So when you go to manage rules, edit. So it is taking 65% and 33% will be half, that is less than 67 would be 67, anything less than 33 will be thing. So let's apply. So now you can see here, yeah, it is taking here. So the higher the number, it is taking here. So let's change it to condition formatting. Let's change, say example 120 is the highest number, so I'll take 120 is the highest number. So half of it is 60, okay, and less than 60 would be this one. So invalid because the percentage should not cross the more than 100%, right? So that's the reason. If I'm not wrong, yes, it is taking now. So now you can see it is taking 98%. So nothing, if anything crosses more than 95% only, it takes the star. Otherwise, it will be, it is not reaching your expectation. So you can use this here star wise or anything here. Let's go into the next data. Similarly, for achieved part. So let me move here so that it is in the center. Condition formatting. So here you can see we have a lot more. You can go to more rules, under more icons. You can select any icon. So I need to know that up and down. You can use this triangle part. So I'm selecting it, click OK. Now it says, so these are going down, it's getting up. Anything above 100, it is taking more. Anything around 90, it is neutral. Anything under less than 90 would be going down. So this you can set it up here. So if you want, you can do this, or if you don't want this, you can go to manage rules, delete rules, apply. Okay. So let me say that I want to find the highest top three percentage here, greater percentage. So go to here, you can see the highlight cells rules. You can see, you can go here and you can see, you can go to the next one, the top and bottom rules. Anything top 10 items will be highlighted. So I select this. So we need only 3 items, right? I don't want to highlight all, so let me change it to 3. So top 3 would be green color. So I can select. So now you can see the top 3 is again highlighted. So let me say that I want the top bottom 3 should be highlighted. So what you can go to the bottom 10. So again change it to into 3. Click OK. So let it be red. Now you can see these are the bottom 3 and top are the top top 3 have the 120, 130, 108. So less than bottom 3 would be highlighted here. Okay. So these conditions you can go, and if you want to delete or you can want to make any changes, you can go to here and manage rules and select this cell, and you can make any changes here to want to increase or decrease thing. Okay. And say example here, as I showed you, right, this is getting highlighted. I don't want to show the percentage here. I just want to have the colored cell. For example, so what we can do is, let me go to manage tools, edit. Under this you can see here show bars only. So it will show only bars, hiding all the percentage. So click OK, check that box and click OK and apply. So now you can see it shows only the bars of completion. It doesn't give anything here. So that will add, and if you want you can make it broader. So it will show you how much it has been finished, right? There are many plenty of options here. You can go through, find the duplicates, everything. So I've shared you the few of the options that would be helpful. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. Please comment so that I can prepare a video on the in future. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.